Okay, so now I got the pulley back on. You know, everything's nice and tight. You're gonna want to check all your pulleys. You know, make sure that they're on there correct. They're not, you know, hanging off the side on a pulley, or they're not put on the wrong place somehow. You know, because that could fuck up a lot of shit. If not the belt itself, you know, maybe some other things. But I've never done that, so I wouldn't know what it exactly messes up. But it can't be good, right? So putting everything back on. I just did the video of, you know, how to, you know, check a ticking or a knocking noise that you have, that you want to pinpoint, whether if it's a bad bearing in the supercharger or, you know, whatever the deal is in the car. But this is a good way, and I'm going to show you right now why. You can definitely hear the difference when I turn the car on with the supercharger. You can hear the, you know, the little rattling, and it's definitely a bad bearing, I can tell you that much. I don't know if you can hear it in person as much, but I can definitely hear it. I mean, I don't know if you can hear it over the phone, but I can definitely hear it on my end. Hopefully y'all can make out the sound difference of the actual supercharger with and without it. But with it on, as you can tell, you can hear like a little, you know, like rocks, you know, fucking crackling around and whatnot. But like I said before, what you can do, you don't even have to go through the whole taking off the belt like I did. Just put you a good pull like this on there, put your ear to it, and I could definitely hear, like, you know, all this noise comes from the supercharger. But that's that. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. One thing I would check, if you did do this and you hear a knocking still, check the harmonic balancer, because that is what messed up my first Buick Regal, why I had to do an engine swap, long block on it to fix the whole block. But originally I thought it was a knock, but it turned out to just be the harmonic balancer. It was just all messed up and it was wobbling around, and you know, it made that really nasty like knocking sound. So initially I already thought I had a knock, but when it came to taking everything off, and then when I got the engine rebuilt, I put everything back on, including the old harmonic balancer, and it still made that same noise, and just to find out that that's what it was. But initially you should fix that, because it could lead to a knocking in your car or something. But yeah, that's about it. Those are the things that I would just check before going out and paying for a mechanic or anything like that. So yeah, that's that.